Hello everybody, Tahina here, and today I'll be unboxing the Ipsy Sticker Club subscription for fall, I guess. Okay, so it took a while to get here. It was sitting for a while, and then suddenly it just came. It rushed. So that's why this video is a little bit late. Okay. So this tells us what's in here. Okay. So we have October, November, and December, and then, so you always get 3 months, and it seems like these stickers are the same, just a different theme and color scheme. And then you also get freebies, and the freebies always change. So let's look at October's kit. So October's kit is Halloween themed. I'm glad it's Halloween themed and not just something else. And then, so this is always a deco sheet. And then this sheet is always the same. It's just different colors depending on the theme. So, and a lot of people were tripping off of these stickers because they don't fit in the vertical. Actually, what I think Erin Condren is doing, they actually fit in the monthly. So that's how I'm starting to use my stickers for my monthly spread. So I really like the Halloween theme one. Here's November's Thanksgiving colors. Okay. I don't like this one too much. Like, the colors are fine, but I don't know, I just don't like the theme that much. And then here's Christmas. And they got Hanukkah in case you don't celebrate Christmas. That's cool. I love the colors. So, this one I like better than November's. But not as much as the Halloween one. So now the freebies. The first freebies we got are these gift labels. And each month it depends. It might be 1 freebie, it might be 2, it might be 3, it might, you know. So these are just plain gift labels. I'm glad that they're plain and they're not like Christmas theme, so you can use these all year. So I like that. The next freebie is a sticky note pad. Oh, okay, and you could put it like in a notebook or in your planner and stick it on there. And it says it has 20 sheets. That's cool. I like that. And the last freebie is a glitter asterisk shaker sticker. That's cool. Okay, yeah, they show it on the phone, but I wouldn't put it on the phone. Oh, I lost it. Oh, okay, there's a backing. Oh, okay. So there's clear backing. I wish it had like water or something in it. I know it's supposed to be a shaker, but I'd rather it have like some liquid in there. But that's okay. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but it's definitely not going to be on my phone though. I believe you could still do this. I hope you can, because I think this is what I'm going to do, because I do it every quarter. Like, you could pay every quarter and then they'll ship it out to you, but I've been thinking that I'm just going to pay the yearly, which is like a quarter subscription is $17.95. But if you pay yearly, I think it's like $56.95. So I think it's a couple dollars off. So I'm thinking of just doing the yearly and not worrying about it anymore, because I always gotta decide, oh, okay, I gotta keep 20 bucks on this card so I can get the subscription. So let me know if you have this subscription, or if you're thinking about getting this subscription. I don't know if I have any videos on using the stickers. I may or may not do a video on the October one. We'll just have to see. And in order for you to see, you have to subscribe. And I would love it if you would like this video. I'll see you next time.